Are you someone who's looking for more energy, more health? Are you someone who's worried about your health issues? Would you love to create balance between your mental and your physical well-being together, but you don't know how to go ahead about it? Let me introduce a new health technology known as prana. You must be having a lot of myths regarding this practice. Myth number 1. I'm not flexible enough to start with any physical exercise. Myth number 2. I'm not a calm and a meditative person. This is not my cup of tea. Myth number 3. This is for people who have mental or physical issues. Myth number 4. I need to go through rigorous exercise routine or strict diet plans to stay healthy lifelong. And let me tell you that prana is for everyone. No matter of age, gender or who you are. This works for everyone. It's a simple yet powerful practice and helps you in your healing process. Hi, I'm Abhirami and I'm a self-healing expert. I'm the founder of Prana and I completely believe that being healthy is our natural state. So if you want me to guide you through this practice of complete transformation and healing yourself completely, then click below and register for my upcoming workshop. I shall help